Transitioning from a batter to a base runner is all about reaction. The first rule as a base runner is not to sit and watch the ball after you hit. After hitting the ball, you must immediately transition to base runner by exploding out of the batter's box and pushing quickly down to first base. Base runners must cross first base in the foul territory side of first base to prevent collisions and avoid being ejected from the game. The first baseman has the right of way to use the entire semicircle at first base. One of the 4 main wheels on a runner's wheelchair must cross or touch the extension box for a base runner to be safe. Or, in some situations, the runner may tag the base with their hand. The 5th and 6th wheels, otherwise known as anti-tip casters, are not considered part of the wheelchair for runners or fielders. When a batter is advancing from first base to second and beyond after a hit, the first baseman must clear first base, giving the runner complete access to cross anywhere on the base and proceed to the next base. Sometimes, a runner may be caught or trapped in between 2 bases by the defense. This is commonly known as a pickle, where the defensive players will try to tag out the base runner. The base runner's best chance in a pickle is to force the defense to throw as many times as possible. The more throws the defense makes, the greater chance for a mistake or an error. In a pickle or any other situation, the fielders cannot interfere with the base runner by being in the baseline or block the base without the ball. A fielder obstruction penalty is called when the defensive fielder does not have the ball and interferes with the batter along the baseline. Base runners may lead off at any base, but there is no base stealing in wheelchair softball. If the pitcher attempts to throw the base runner out, but overthrows the ball, all base runners can advance 1 base, only after retouching their original base. Base runners may not interfere with the defensive player's ability to field a batted or thrown ball, and base runners cannot deliberately run into a batted or thrown ball. We hope these skills, strategies, and tips will help you become an effective and successful base runner and scorer for your team.